To look inside this Aovo motor, this thing's gone pop pretty spectacularly. The bearing has failed. It's been run for a longer period of time without bearings. The bearing's dying and it's just destroyed itself. Even the hole sensors and things. So yeah, pretty bad. It's damaged the magnets in here as well. I don't know if you see it, but it's actually worn the magnets. And there's all these steel particles and crap floating around in here. So yeah, that's not good. This thing is pretty toast. Likewise on the Xiaomi, these are an aluminium stator core. On these they're a steel stator core, which explains why when I done my Aovo overvolted video, the motor didn't last near as long. I never pulled it apart to have a look, but yeah, the Xiaomi motor is definitely the better one of the two. So yeah, that concludes the video on the Aovo scooter motor. Thank you for watching.